Hi guys, Vindy. Let's quickly look at the Nasdaq. This is just a quick Nasdaq update, Nasdaq 100 update. This is also educational. Make sure that you understand the risk management before you start trading the market. Okay, so right here, looking at the H4 chart, as I've said, this is just going to be a quick update. Check out the previous video if you do not understand what I'm doing. Right here on H4 can see that green belt nicely, and price have actually reached this resistance level. I think these sellers are most likely to push back price, but I don't think they're gonna reach that green belt. But if you wanna buy on H4, that's where you should wait. Okay, that's where you should wait. Doesn't matter what Vindy thinks, but if price comes back to that, that's where buyers on H4 are gonna engage. Okay, but this area have sort of shifted slightly to the upside since we have had that move back to that resistance. Okay, so but that shift doesn't matter. That's where the H4 buyers are. So if you're interested in buying on H4, this is where you should actually wait. Looking at the H1 time frame, you can see this is looking all good. We're anticipating a crossover to take place around this particular point. As you can see, these guys have fully crossed over. What's missing is a green band like this. Okay, so if we can find that, and then we'll know that these buyers are ready to actually engage, but we'll need to pull back to the green band, or maybe back to this particular level at least, because also the H4 buyers are around that particular area. You can also mark a trend line like I've done here. Okay, so that's easy. M30, very interesting. We already have the green band here on M30. We already have that, so you can see that particular portion, and also we can see a certain resistance level was broken. Actually, this resistance level was broken, so we'd like to see price if it can come down nicely to that point so that we can buy. But if you're a seller, you can sell up there. If you are a seller, you just have to know where to sell, and then you can buy back all the way up following the trend if price comes back to the green band. So do you want to buy or do you want to sell? Where do you want to buy? Where do you want to sell? Very important. Which time frame do you want to use? Also very important. You can see I've moved from one time frame to the next, showing you that if you want to trade this one, do this one. Also, that's it. If you want to subscribe, feel free to. Otherwise, sharp.